road, but no one helps the railroad bum like poor old Joe. Somewhere in his memory there lives a younger man. Try to leave the busy world he didn't understand. Gave it up and caught a train back 40 years ago. Trains kept getting faster while the road was slow. Poor old Joe's too old to catch a train. Something keeps him trying just the same. Old soldiers and old sailors have a place to go, but no one helps the railroad bum like poor old Joe. Don't regret the life he's lived, the rails have been his friend. Nothing else, he's living free to come and go again. Oh, time has come to claim its toll, his age has slowed it down. He knows he'll try his luck again the next train out of town. Poor old Joe's too old to catch a train. Something keeps him trying just the same. Old soldiers and old sailors have a place to go, but no one helps the railroad